Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of online food review. So today I have ordered Bengali dish from Maa Bhook lagi. So let's open and see the quantity of the dish and the taste of the dish. And I have ordered Mutton Kasa with Luchi, which is a Bengali dish. So let me open this up. So they have given this food in an envelope like a letter. So let me take this out. Okay, so they have given this as a plate, and they have given 1 teaspoon and 1 tissue paper. They have 6 pieces of luchi. There is a mutton kasa and onion. So let's open this up and see. Okay, so we have opened this up and let's see the quantity of puri, and let me open this luchi. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So they have total 6 luchi in this pack. There is a mutton. Let me see how much the piece of mutton they have given. So for mutton they have given 1 small piece, 2 small piece. Okay, so in total they have given 2 small piece of mutton, 6 luchi, and a few slices of onion. So now let me taste and let you know about the taste of this dish. So just So the taste of the food is, I can say, is quite good. So it tastes like a Bengali dish exactly. This luchi is made out of a maida, which also tastes good. The curry of the mutton is little bit spicy, and it's good. It's not very spicy, yeah, but it has a good amount of spice, and the spice is very balanced. Overall, I can say this is a must try. You can try this one, and it has a good taste. Also, I can say if you order this one, it won't make you fill. So you cannot order this for the lunch with expectation that 1 plate will fill you. However, you can order this as a breakfast. It is good for breakfast. But if you want to order for a lunch for an adult, you should order 2 plates for 1 person. 1 plate will not fulfill you. So this is the review. I will come up with a new video next episode. Till then, bye, take care, and please don't forget to subscribe and like this channel, and please leave a comment for me if you want me to make a video on any particular dish or on any particular restaurant. Thank you.